Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. In this video, we will be talking about a automobile giant based out of China. A simple Google search will let you know that CF Moto is an automobile giant based out of China with its 1.6 million square foot factory in Hangzhou, China. CF Moto is specialized in producing ATVs and motorcycles. What is really interesting about CF Moto is that they also manufacture premium motorcycles and have been selling them in countries all across Europe and Australia. And now they are in India from past couple of years. For its initial product portfolio, CF Moto has 4 motorcycles to offer in Indian markets, namely the 300 NK, the 650 NK, the 650 MT and the 650 GT. In India, CF Moto has partnered with AWM Motorcycles, a Bangalore-based company that has taken the responsible for the sale and after-sale support in India. Many of you might not know that CF Moto is the official partner of AG KTM in China and currently assembles 200 Duke and 390 Duke for the Austrian manufacturer in that market. The partnership has opened a whole new doorway for Kiska Design, which is the same Austrian design house that is responsible for the cool looking lines on new age KTMs and also is visible on the CF Moto 650 MT.
So let's have a quick acceleration test. So we are in 0 now. So let's go 1, 2, 3. Oh man, this is crazy. Crazy man, crazy. So much power man, awesome.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss about a motorcycle brand CF Moto MT650. So this is a Chinese manufacturing automobile giant in China. So they produce ATVs and as well as they produce premium motorcycles. So most of the people in India might have not known about this bike. So KTM, so this MT hand, this CF Moto has partnered with AWM Motorcycles in Bangalore, and they are the responsible for return, finish and service and after sales service of the bike. So let me tell you a little bit about this. So here is the console, instrument cluster. So when you just turn it off and when you turn it on, it gives a whole run. So here it is. So you get the basic things: neutral indicator, fuel tank indicator, temperature, and basically the hazard light switch and everything. So everything is mentioned here. So this is basically a digital one. So you get whatever you want. It's not more kind of glitchy thing or something where you would be getting caught in it. So let's talk about the things here, the switches. So this is a engine kill switch, on and off switch. So this is the ignition switch, okay. And coming to the left hand side, high beam, low beam, and these are the modes: sport mode and economic mode. So when you press it here, you can see the difference here. Now it's in sport mode.
So when I put it's going to touring. So basically E means here it's given E, but it shows touring. So basically that is the thing. So these are like left and right indicators, and this is the horn switch. So this is the hazard light switch. So as you can see, once one click, and these are all lighting up. It's all lighting up. So basically this is a full LED setup, front, back, and everything. So one more thing. So one more thing about this is the mirrors give a good visibility. These are pretty big, and you can see whatever is coming back there. This is a very huge visibility, and the windscreen size. This is a very huge windscreen. So there is one more option. You can extend it up or you can put it down. So let me show you the simple procedure here. So these are the two levers which you have to pull down to unlock the mechanism. So you can put it down or you can put it up accordingly. You can put it like this or put it down. Once done, tighten up. Make sure you are tightening this up very good. Okay, so see this, two height setups, up and down. So that's it. So here is a fuel tank. This fuel tank is of huge fuel tank, right? This comes with 18 liters of capacity. Okay, and gives a range of 25. That is what the company is claiming, but the real world feel will be different once you get it done. It will done. So this is the master cylinder, and these are the bark busters for protecting your knuckles. And coming here, the levers. The levers are adjustable levers. So there are like here you can lever this lever, the clutch lever and the brake lever, both are adjustable levers. So this is the master cylinder. And now coming back to the main attraction of the bike, the headlight. This vertically stacked headlamp is full of LEDs, and it's a totally different face. So let me show you. So this is the normal light and this is the high beam low beam. So this is our night light. So let's talk about the disc brakes. So on this bike there are like two dual disc brakes, if you can see, one on the left side and one on the right side. These are from the company called Jejuan. These are a French manufacturing company. This is a ABS standard model, front and back. This is the Jejuan brakes from the company. And now let's talk about the engine, the heart of the machine. The heart of this machine is a 650cc liquid cooled twin engine, twin cylinder, which is very nice. And let's talk about this crash bars. These crash bars are standard on 650 MT Indian variant. So this adds approximately, this gives a good protection and as well as adds 7 kgs extra to the curb weight of 213 kgs. The rear section tire are, the front and back are Mercedes, both are like 120 section, and this is 120 section as well, and there is a disc brake as well in the rear. So this is also with ABS. And the silencer, let me show you the sound of the silencer. Let's exhaust one. So let me know how do you like about this thing. So here is the mechanism of the keys. Here is how it looks. So this is the key. This is the key for CF Moto MT. So you have to just put it in here. So push, lock, ignition. So now it's here. You put it in here. It goes whole wide. So these are the adjustable suspensions. The seat height of the bike is some around like 840 mm, which is fit for someone like me with 5'11" height. For reference, my friend, he is around 5'11", and he will show if his feet, both feet are touching the ground. So he's barely touching the ground. See, both of his feet are not touching the ground. Very good, but nice. So this is the view from my camera. Let's see. Whoa, this is not that grumble as other bikes, other 650s, but this is enough. We don't have more sound, more noise pollution. Nice. This is very nice. This looks really good. The only issue what I found is this thing. It comes off. The windshield adjustment thing. This and this comes out. The feel of the bike is really very good. Very nice. See, I am in fourth gear now, and still I can go in 30s and 40s. Very torquey engine. Very nice.